How do I take something as simple as a keyring and turn it into a really cool looking Scout Woggle? It's not as difficult as you imagine. But before we dive into a keyring into a Woggle, I want to show you these. These are the rubber ducks that nearly every scouter has. If not, you need to get one. You need to make one yourself even better. And they are so simple to make. Now in the back, I've got a collection of different rubber ducks, and they're really simple to make into a Woggle. This is a Christmas one, and this one is like the official rubber duck for scouting, all right? Really simple. All you gotta do is make 2 holes using this, a knife. That's it. It's as simple as that. And I'll show you on this big Santa Claus just because it's easier. Now what you need to do is take your rubber duck and make 2 holes. That's it, using your knife. The first one is going to be on the back just here. Don't make it too big. Small is better. You can take more off rather than add it. Once you've made that hole big, your rubber duck is gone. So make it smaller and then just see if your necker feeds through. And if it doesn't feed through, make that hole a little bit bigger. And then on the bottom, just make a hole. Doesn't matter how big, how small it is. That is just to feed your necker through the hole. See this one here on this, it's got a big hole. This one is just that. And that's as simple as it is. Then you start looking for different rubber ducks. Be careful, because your addiction's going to grow like mine. So you've got to duck a hospital, because that's my job. Then you start looking outside the box and thinking, if I've got a rubber duck, so I've got a hen one. On holiday this year, my son Thomas found some rubber keyrings, and he was like, Dad, that'll make a really cool Woggle, a hamburger. So really simple, hole, push your necker through, put it through the bottom. Now I've got a really cool hamburger Woggle. Love it or hate it. Right, let's dive on to the Lego. My favorite Disney character is Goofy. I've done a vlog about this a while ago. Just taking a Goofy Lego figure and putting it on the back of just a normal plastic beaver cub Woggle, okay? All you gotta do is epoxy glue your figure onto a Woggle. It's as simple as that. Next, we're gonna take these key rings and make them into a Woggle. Simple as well. Right, to make this, you can just take some normal regular plastic Woggles that you'll get for your beavers or cubs, or you can get some PVC plumber's pipe and cut that down to size. We're gonna go for the green one because we're gonna do this one. Right, so we don't need all this. So we're gonna take this all off. I think I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut that bit there. So I've taken the gubbings off. So we're left with our little, what do you call this? It's gone out of my head. Basically, we're gonna glue this to the back of that. Simple as that. There we are, it's glued. Might take that little bit off there. We'll leave that to dry. So this is a keyring from Day to Day. Glued that to a black Woggle. I've made Christmas one. That was from some stickers or something, I can't remember. Again, just simply glued it back onto a Woggle. Another Doctor one, glued on the back of a Woggle. This is my normal Christmas one, but I'm getting a bit bored. I want to make another one, and I saw this one. I saw this nutcracker in Tesco's as a Christmas decoration. I just thought, let's see if I can make this into a Woggle. Same thing, let's get rid of this ribbon. Now I don't have any red Woggles to match the nutcracker, but I do have some tape. So I'm going to take this bit of the piping and a bit of red tape and then tape it up, only so it matches the back of the nutcracker, because I don't really want yellow or red. Right, so that was my white bit of pipe. I'm going to take my nutcracker and simply glue it on the back of that. Right, that's that glued. I'm going to trim that bit of hair once this Woggle has dried. So the nutcracker is all dry. What I did was just to brush his hair by the side so it doesn't go down that bit. So there's the nutcracker. And there is my Star Wars. I forgot what his name is, so I still can't remember. This is as simple as gluing these things on the back. Don't overthink it. So how cool does my new Woggle look, my Star Wars one? This one or this one? Got to get a Christmas themed necker, I think, for my nutcracker. But I think you are going to agree. He looks awesome as well. So that's how I turn a simple keyring into a really cool, awesome Woggle. One more thing, if you're prone to losing your Woggle, watch this video here. With a simple elastic band hidden, you're guaranteed to get your Woggle nice and secure using this technique.